before JAMB exam started, even before this year's JAMB started, we already started getting inquiries about students asking when will JAMB release the JAMB results, right? We've started, if you go online, both people sending on WhatsApp, which particular date will JAMB give them the JAMB result? When will they be able to go to the JAMB portal and view the results? And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact date to look forward to for JAMB to release your results. Of course, you know that this year, 2025 JAMB exam started by the 24th of April, and the exam will be on until a later date. Exam will keep going on 24th, 25th, 26th. Throughout April, there will be JAMB exam, and also to the latter end of May, right? And it is after your exam that you should expect your JAMB results. Just pay attention. After your exam, after your JAMB exam, after writing your JAMB exam, you should now expect your results. This is the official information that I'm giving you. When will JAMB 2025 result be released? Okay? Of course, you know that it is released online. JAMB usually releases UTME result within a few days after the entire exam ended. Just a few days. It doesn't take long like WAEC, right? It doesn't take long for this year, but of course, you won't get it immediately after your exam. For this year, the UTME is expected to end in early May 2025. Early May. From the timetable, by 5th of May, we should be done with the exam. You know, everybody is not writing once. You write your own. There are some that already wrote on 24th of April. Some will write on 25th. That is how, and you write. Once you write, you have written your own. But this year, we have more than 2 million candidates writing JAMB, so it will take quite some time. By early May, by 5th of May, exam should be done. So candidates should expect their result between May 5th and May 10th. Between the 5th of May and the 10th of May, depending on how quickly JAMB completes the process of verification. Of course, JAMB will not just send you the result. They have to verify it. Sometimes they withhold the result, but you, all of you following this our YouTube channel, all of you that are subscribers and members, your result will not be withheld for any reason by God's grace. Do you claim it? Claim it in the comment section, okay? And our goal, what I also want you to claim is that in this JAMB, your goal and your score will be 300 and above. You will come back with a testimony, okay? Now the information continues. JAMB may announce the results, that the results are being released in batches. Sometimes, even when the result is released, you may not be able to see your own immediately. Now, if you want me to send you the link through which you can check your result, there is a link you can press, take you to the link, JAMB portal. You put your reg number if you have written your exam, and you'll be able to view your result. When the time comes, if you want me to send it to you, let me know. Just comment and say, please send me the link to check JAMB results. Just ask me in the comment section. I will still make a video on how to check your JAMB result, but if you need me to guide you, give you access to it, let me know so that I will do that for you. So between 5th and 10th of May, you should expect your result. Your goal right now should be making sure that you write your exam and you come out with flying colors. Like I always say, all of you that are members of our YouTube channel, subscribers, full members, or if you are not a full member of our YouTube channel, you should go ahead and become a full member. You become a full member by joining, or you can ask me in the comment section, tell me, sir, I want to be a full member. Then I can send you the link. You should click. Okay, if you have not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe. If you have not joined, go ahead, click join, like this video, share this video, and most importantly, join our YouTube channel. Any information you need, any link you need, ask me for it in the comment section.